Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to convert images to PDF in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just look for the pictures that we want to convert. So just click here on the File Explorer and then look for your images. So let's say for example that this is the image that we want to convert. So what we're going to do next is to select them all. So what we're going to do next right here is to right click and then click Show More Options. Once you click Show More Options, just click on Print right here, and then this will pop up. So what we're going to do next is to go here on the printer, and then click on this one right here, and then look for Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you do that, this is what it's going to look like. And then after that, uncheck this. And then once you're now done with this, just click on Print, and then let's wait for it to finish, and then just put your file name. So let's say, for example, the file name is example, and then we're going to click on save. And then after that, if we go here in this part, as you can see, we now have this PDF, and if we open it, this is what it's going to look like. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is.